Can you swipe away with Capital One's virtual card? Ever been at the checkout line, ready to buy that fancy new gadget, only to realize you left your wallet at home? Or maybe you're worried about using your actual credit card for an online purchase. We've all been there. Thankfully, the world of digital finance offers some clever solutions, and Capital One's virtual card is one of them. But what exactly is a virtual card, and can you really ditch the plastic and use it at your favorite stores? Buckle up, because in this video, we're diving deep into the world of Capital One's virtual cards, exploring their functionalities and limitations, so you can decide if they're the perfect fit for your shopping habits. So, what's a virtual card anyway? Imagine a replica of your physical credit card, existing entirely in the digital realm. That's essentially what a virtual card is. It comes with a unique 16-digit card number, expiration date, and CVV code, just like its plastic counterpart. The key difference? It's not linked to a physical card, so you can't swipe it at a terminal. Capital One, virtual cards, and your shopping spree. Now, the big question: can you use a Capital One virtual card to snag that new pair of shoes or grab groceries at the local store? The answer, unfortunately, is no. While Capital One's virtual cards are undeniably convenient, they're currently designed for online transactions only. But wait, there's more. Here's how Capital One's virtual cards can work for you. Even though they can't replace your physical card at the register, Capital One's virtual cards offer a bunch of advantages, especially for online shoppers. Here's how they can enhance your digital spending experience. Instant gratification. Just got approved for a new Capital One credit card but haven't received your physical card yet? No worries. A virtual card allows you to start shopping online immediately, racking up those rewards points from day one. Enhanced security. Worried about entering your actual credit card details on unfamiliar websites? Virtual cards come to the rescue. Since the number is unique and temporary, even if there's a data breach, your main credit card information remains secure. Budgeting bliss. Planning a shopping spree but want to stay within limits? Virtual cards can be your secret weapon. You can set spending limitations for each virtual card you create, keeping your budget in check and avoiding overspending temptations. Subscription Slayer. Do you have recurring subscriptions you barely use anymore? Virtual cards are perfect for these situations. Set up a virtual card specifically for that gym membership or music streaming service, and you can easily cancel it later without affecting your main credit card. Using Capital One's virtual cards, a walk in the park. Capital One makes using virtual cards a breeze. You can access and manage them directly through the Capital One mobile app or your online banking portal. With a few clicks, you can generate a new virtual card with a specific spending limit, making the entire process incredibly user-friendly. The future of virtual cards, a glimpse beyond online shopping. While Capital One's virtual cards are currently limited to online transactions, the future of this technology is brimming with possibilities. We might see advancements that allow them to be integrated with mobile wallets, enabling contactless payments at physical stores. Capital One virtual cards, the verdict. So, are Capital One's virtual cards a game changer? While they can't replace your physical card for in-store purchases yet, they offer a secure and convenient way to manage your online spending. From safeguarding your credit card information to setting spending limits, virtual cards provide valuable tools for savvy online shoppers. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.